Hi everybody, this is Val and welcome back to Val's Kitchen, where you can get the whole of the good meals them, all of the nice food them. So guys, guess what I'm gonna do today? Barbie fried chicken. So guys, come with me, let me show you how I'm gonna do my Barbie fried chicken. So first, for my Barbie fried chicken, guys, you must have your chicken already seasoned. I'm sorry guys, I was out of time, that's why I didn't season it on the camera. But guess what, there's a green season video on my channel guys, on Val's Kitchen. You can go and see all the ingredients that I use on the fried chicken: garlic, scallion and thyme, onion, pimento seed, a little salt. So guys, bear with me and just go on the channel and you will see what I use in my Barbie fried chicken. The flour is a must. For the sauce, I'm gonna use a cup of ketchup. I'm gonna use some vinegar, right? I'm gonna turn up my sauce, guys. So what I'm gonna be using in my sauce, I'm gonna use half a teaspoon of ginger, half a teaspoon of garlic, a few seeds of pimento seed, and some crushed pepper. All right, I'm gonna use this. But I'm not gonna use this alone. I'm gonna show you all how I'm gonna do it, get everything together. All right, so here is a different way I'm gonna do the Barbie fried chicken today guys. All right, so when you season the chicken, you lift up your skin, the chicken skin, and make sure you put season and make sure you season the chicken nice. You understand? Yes guys. So first I'm gonna put some of the chicken in the flour. 6 pieces of chicken first. Now I'll always say I don't like put my hand in the chicken when I'm gonna fry, but guess what, today is gonna be a different day. So this is the water. Instead of the egg guys, I'm gonna use water. Yes. Some people said, guys, so what, the season not gonna come off? No guys, it's not gonna come off. Right? The flour seal in the season guys. The flour lucky in the season. Okay, so we don't have to worry about that. All right, so we're gonna take it back from the water. Okay, see, the season lucky in same way. Okay guys, so let's take it back from the liquid, the water, see, and just rest it back in the flour. You'll have something to drain it out. Drain as much water off the chicken before you rest it back in the flour. See, the season lock same way, lock tight. Alright, see the water clear same way. It doesn't look like the flour come off in the water guys. Alright, we're gonna do the same process again, same procedure with the flour. Another coat, and then we'll put it in the preheated oil. Alright, just rest it on a plate. Seasons lock same way guys, no worries. We don't want any lumps, so we have to be careful of the lumps. If anything, and if it's too much lumps, you just go over and just sieve back the flour. First time I see this, the way that's this style of Barbie fried chicken, I say, God, so the one of the season now come off. But that me I say now, I realize now, the season lucky. Next step guys is just putting the chicken in the hot oil, in the heated oil. All right. Not gonna want to move the chicken too quick, you know, guys. So guys, put the heat on a medium to low. Not too low and not too high. You want the chicken to soak right through. Alright? So first we have to have our ketchup. Right? About 2 cups of ketchup. I see a small amount. I use about 3 tablespoons of the barbecue sauce. I don't want it to overpower my sauce. Here are my pimento seeds, some garlic, small amount, you know, and the pepper flakes. Spice up your sauce, guys. Spice up your thing. I'm gonna use about a tablespoon of soy sauce. Yeah? 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. Any vinegar of your choice, alright? Still have to put this on the stove. Let it boil for about 5 minutes to let all the ingredients come together. Alright? We need a nice sauce to go on our fried chicken to make it a nice barbecue fried chicken. Alright, guys? So guys, I'm not gonna cook it right through, right? Going back in the oven to cook for the next 15 minutes. So we can take them out after 8 minutes out the pot, right? Alright. See the nice crust? Look. Nice crust. With some real nice flake. Nice flake. Ooh. Nice. Barbecue fried chicken is coming on, alright? So guys, let me just put some barbecue sauce on these chicken. Let's try them in here. Here is the final Barbie fried chicken, guys. Nice, colorful, right color, right texture. I'm gonna cut it and show you the inside. Tender, nice, juicy. Nice. Can just drizzle a little barbecue sauce. Alright, yes guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Please give me a like, comment, share the video guys. Subscribe to the channel, turn on the post notification bell, and tell me how you like the Barbie fried chicken, guys. Today's shout out are going to Shane Richards. Thank you for watching, guys. Thanks for the support. And Jackie Doris. Thanks again, guys. Many blessings. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on the post notification bell so you never miss an upload, guys. Bye.